Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can become a top pick on Tinder. So in order to become a top pick on Tinder, first of all head over to your Tinder and the user face will appear somewhat like this. From the appear section, go ahead and tap on the Tinder profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now in here you can see my boost, get more. Go ahead and tap on it. So go ahead and tap on get more. Doing so will help you become a top pick. So getting a boost means or buying this boost means that you'll become a top pick for 30 minutes on your area, and you'll be like suggested on the top recommendations and you'll be getting more matches. So to buy this boost you can just select any of the subscription or the boost that you want, and once you have activated this boost you'll be top pick for 30 minutes on your area. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.